G'day folks, Ben from Snowy's here today with a Nitecore product. This is called the Nitecore TIP. It's a handy metal little keychain light. It comes with various loops and clips so you can put it on your keychain. It also comes with a removable clip so you could put it on a peak of a cap or just on a pocket or something as well. It's up to about 360 lumens on max, 150 lumens on high. So it weighs about 23.5 grams, 60.8 centimeters long, 23.5 this way and 13.8 high. So it's nice and compact, easily fits on your keychain. Now it's an all metal body. This loop on the end here is metal too, so it's not going to wear out over time in your pocket. There's two rubber buttons on the side here. We'll go into details on how to use them shortly. And this clip is a durable, flexible clip. Now when this goes over the top, it's designed to either just clip on one side to attach it to a cap. If we turn it around so it covers the buttons, it serves two purposes. It stops accidental switching on while it's in your pocket, and it also adds as a protective cover for the USB charging port on the side there. Looking at the light modes on the Nitecore TIP, it's got 4 different brightness modes and a few different functions. So to turn it on, we start with the bottom button here, flick that on, and that's now into low mode there. At low mode, it's only 1 lumen, and you're going to get 46 hours of runtime out of it. We press this top button a second time, the brightness steps up a little bit to 35 lumens. You get about 6 hours and 30 minutes runtime out of it on that setting. Press it again, we scroll through to the high setting, about 1 hour and 30 minutes of runtime on that one. And if we hold down on this top button here, we enter turbo mode, which goes up to 360 lumens. You're only going to get about 30 minutes of runtime out of that. So these two buttons on the front here also allow us to switch between 2 modes, a constant mode and a daily mode. In daily mode, the light will turn off automatically after 30 seconds of use. In constant mode, it'll stay on until you physically turn it off. So if we hold down on both of these buttons together, we get 1 flash on the end there, which means it's now in daily mode. If I switch this on, it will turn off after 30 seconds. If we hold down on both of those buttons again, we get 2 flashes out the end there. That's now in constant mode. So if I turn it on, it's only going to turn off when I physically turn it off. 2 other functions I'll show you here is to directly access turbo mode without having to scroll through the settings. Just to hold down on the top button, that immediately jumps straight to turbo mode. Same thing with the bottom button here. If we hold down on the bottom button, all you want to do is find the keyhole at night. Hold down on that, it goes directly into low mode. Now the Nitecore TIP has a built-in 500 milliamp hour lithium ion battery. It's charged via the USB port on the side here. You will need your own USB cable to charge it. It's a micro USB. Now it does have indicator lights on the front here. The buttons actually have little lights behind it. When it's charging, they'll be red. When it's charged, it'll be green. There's also a battery indicator light built into this as well. If we press the top button here, these little lights flash. That was 3 flashes at the moment, which indicates the battery's over 50% charged. 2 flashes means it's less than 50%. 1 flash means it's less than 10%. It's pretty much all the features of the Nitecore TIP keychain light. They come with a 12-month warranty, and they're also available in multiple colors. You can pick them up off our website, lowest prices every day, free delivery to just about anywhere in Australia. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.